So, oh yeah, my eyes so red from flying. So I've just arrived in Miami. I am staying here for the weekend and we are staying at the Setai hotel. So this is my room, you can see behind me. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a room tour, then I'm gonna do some serious unpacking, have a shower, like wash my face, all that good stuff. And then go and have something to eat because I'm starving. I think I'm just gonna order room service, to be honest, because it's late and I've been traveling. So I traveled from London. We left at like 8:30 this morning, and well, like our flight was at 8:30 this morning, so we left even earlier. So I'm just like exhausted now. I need to chill, and where a better place to do it, to be honest. So I'm gonna give you a room tour. So my suitcase is here. This is the front of the room. Little bed, little bath here, which is just adorable. Little, what is this? Ooh, chocolates. Then look at the products as well. Aqua de Parma, the best. Oh, my camera's dying. The best kind of products. So these are obviously going to be an Instagramable shot. My bed, then through to the showers in there, sinks, wardrobe, another sink, and toilet in here. I haven't actually been in this one yet. Just a basic toilet. And yeah, so my camera's dying, so I'm going to what's this? Just put my toothbrush in. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to get unpacking now and catch up with you guys in a bit. Morning guys, wow, my hair looks insane. There we go. Morning guys, it is my first day in Miami. I've woken up, put like a little bit of like eyebrows and foundation and stuff on, and my swimming costume and a little dress, and had a shower, all that good stuff, and I slept so well last night. I had a moment of like sleeping in, because obviously I sleep with Sam all the time, so sleeping on my own was a bit weird, not gonna lie to you. So yeah, but then once I was asleep, I was like asleep all night. I was knackered, absolutely knackered when we got in from our flight anyway. So yeah, I am gonna head over to my dad and stepmom's room now, and I don't know if we're gonna go down for some breakfast. I'm not sure what we're doing yet, but I'm pool ready basically, except for my shoes. I didn't bring any pool worthy footwear. So there are some flip-flops I might borrow from the, might take from the wardrobe, like Setai flip-flops. So yeah, I'm gonna just collect a few bits. Their room's just next door, so I mean, I'm not gonna take everything over with me, but take some things, head over to their room, and hang out for the morning. I'm so excited for today. I want a coconut. What's in a coconut though? Thank you. So we're at the beach. It's beautiful. And I've just been in the water, hence all damp.
Alright, let's make it happen. What can I get for you?
Coconut on the beach. Hi guys, it is the afternoon on, what day is it? I have no idea what day it is. Oh my god, so bad. Sunday now. I haven't spoken to you guys all day because I've literally just been chilling by the pool. It's been so relaxing. I may be a little burned, can't really see. but I've been wearing Factor 50, so I've been doing everything right. And I just took a little nap. I don't know if you can see an Ellen shaped, what would you call it? Thing in the bed, an Ellen shaped speck. I don't know what word I'm looking for. In the bed. I'm just gonna put some face on. And I've got an outfit on, which I can show you as well. And then I'm gonna go for a little walk or something. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet, but probably just go for a little walk. I've got dressed and yeah, I've done my pooling for the day. I'm gonna go just walk, wander around South Beach, probably. So yeah, I'm gonna make myself a coffee, put some makeup on, and then I'll take you guys wherever I go. So this is my outfit. I've got a Free People top, sunnies, Primark denim shorts, cute shoes, and my makeup. Looks like this. And I've got this cute little ear cuff as well that I bought in H&M. It's really fun. It's the best way to focus on it. I can't focus on the ear. Yeah. Super cute. And yeah, I'm gonna go for a walk now. So we're at South Beach. Oh, is it recording? It is recording. Why is it not focusing on me? There we go. Yeah, and now we're gonna take some pics. And yeah, we've just been for like a walk, gone to loads of shops on Collins, and now walking down here back to the hotel. Yeah, beautiful. Luggage, waiting for the car.